What's going on? So this right here is the iPhone 17 Pro Max in the silver colorway, and let's go ahead and unbox it. So one thing I can notice with the Pro boxes is with its new aluminum unibody, the phone's picture in the front also has an aluminum shiny shimmery effect. It looks nice. It reminds me of those Pokemon cards. Let's go ahead and open this up. So this right here is the 512 gigabyte model. And so one thing I've noticed with the iPhone Pro models is that they tend to scratch easily. Hopefully the silver color holds up well over time. The deep blue, I mean, I haven't really used it that much, but so far it's looking good. So on the screen cover right here, it has all the labels showing you what each button is. And just like the iPhone 17 Pro, first impressions, it feels great in the hand. I like the new unibody design. This is probably the most comfortable feeling Pro Max model. Yes, you know, very nice curves. Hopefully in the future, it's even more curvy, ergonomic, you know, like kind of like the iPhone 3GS with its, how it curves. The silver color looks super nice. It has a very industrial, surgical look. It kind of reminds me of those scissors you see at the hospital. Very nice. I like it. Premium look. And I think the silver color also will hold up better over time in terms of scratching. So the iPhone 17 Pro Max has 12 gigabytes of RAM and is powered by the A19 Pro chip, the most powerful iPhone yet, and it's got a triple 48 megapixel setup on the back and an 18 megapixel center stage selfie camera in the front. Another thing with the Pros and just the whole iPhone 17 lineup is how convenient and yes, easy it makes vlogging. I can just hold the phone like this and shoot in landscape. It's a feature that I will definitely be using more. So the iPhone 17 Pro Max also has Apple's new vapor chamber cooling built in, which if you haven't seen my previous video, I compared the iPhone 17 Pros with my iPhone 14 Pro Max and the iPhone Air, as well as the iPhone 16 Pro Max, and the results are interesting. Yeah, a great feeling phone, a nice looking color. Between this and the deep blue, here we have the deep blue colorway right here next to the silver, and I must say I think I like the silver more. The blue is exquisite. I like it. The silver, it just looks classic. It looks like a classic color. It reminds me of an iPod Classic. Out of the three colors, I gotta say silver is number one, deep blue number two, and cosmic orange is number three. Let me know which color you like, but yes, I'm digging the silver. I'm just gonna set this up, take a couple of selfies and pictures and showcase the cameras real quick, and then I'll wrap this video up so we can get on with the battery testing. Unlike the iPhone Air, this iPhone 17 and the Pro Max models, they support 25-watt wireless charging. Whether you're deciding if you want to go with the bigger phone or the smaller iPhone 17 Pro, it's really personal preference. I'll say I've always been a Pro Max user and the Pro Max feels right at home. Though I will say using the iPhone 17 Pro with one hand on the go is much more easier. 6.5-inch display, 6.3-inch display. Both have XDR OLED displays, 460 ppi. Setting up the phone, the first thing I'm going to do is of course change the icons like I did on all of my other iPhone 17s, and I'm going to just change it to the dark icon and make it bigger and remove the icons. I prefer this clean look. So the next thing I will be doing is going to battery, and then here we have a new mode called adaptive power, which already seems to be turned on automatically, and this is going to extend your iPhone's battery life by making performance adjustments such as lowering display brightness, allowing some activities to take longer, or turning on low power mode at 20%. So it's just a smarter low power mode. Taking the first selfie, and then here we have a landscape selfie right there, super easy. And let's take a photo of this iPhone just so we can see the details. So we do get 8x optical, well, we get 8x optical quality zoom on the new 17 Pro and the Pro Max. Now, for this optical quality zoom, the phone first uses the 4x telephoto lens to get closer, and then it digitally crops the high resolution image from that lens to achieve the 8x equivalent magnification. This method results in a much higher quality image than a pure digital zoom, but it's not a true 8x optical zoom. What I can tell from this is the most refined camera system on an iPhone yet. So I'll wrap this video up right here. Thank you for watching, and I will talk to you next time. Peace.